Sir, generally when it is mentioned like winner won by X votes, here we compare to the person the second highest to the number of votes. But in the question, no mentioned, there is only 2 contestants. Yeah, that's what the point. You know, in specifically in percentage questions. Okay, okay. Let me go back to my question. There is no mention about only 2% are there. Okay, wait a minute. In election, a candidate who got, okay. Yeah. That's my bad. Yeah, basically it has to be mentioned like, 2% should be there. Yes, correct. Your point is right. When there is only 2% are contesting, then only this answer is valid. Absolutely right. Yeah, I assumed only 2%. More than 2%, slightly difficult one. Okay. Yeah. Because again, MLC, the time take to calculate are also, the 4 days time. Like our MLC elections, we need to calculate the first priority, second priority, and third priority votes. And, we need to get our answer. Yeah, it will take longer version. So that's why they'll give 2 to 3 candidates only, not more than that. Uh, 2.516, 2.56. So guys, let me explain you the question. So a lot of people are getting confused with this. Fresh grape contains, fresh grape contains 90%, while dried grapes contains 20% of the water by its weight. So please understand this point. So first, let me explain you. Okay. So let's say there is a 100 kg of grapes. Okay, let's say there is a 100 kg of grape. So in this 100 kg of grape, water content is going to be what? 90 kg. Okay, so water is 90 kg and the pulp, okay, the pulp is going to be 10 kg. That's what they are saying. Okay, that's what they are saying. Don't ask me, so water wind liters. Okay, Okay, 90 kg and 10 kg. Have you understood this? Yeah, I'm coming to that. I'm coming to that. I'll come to that. Have you understood this? Everybody, everybody. Yeah. So, and in dried grapes, which means, in raisins, what they are saying is water is what? 20%. So, the pulp is going to be what? The pulp is going to be 80%. That's what they are saying. So let me explain you. So what is the weight of the dry grapes available from the 20 kg of fresh grapes? Okay, so 20 kg of fresh grapes. Please understand this 20 grapes. Let me put it in my terrace. Okay, 20 fresh grapes, 20 kg of fresh grapes. So due to evaporation of water, okay, so it will become what? It will become what? It will contain dried grapes, right? It will become what? Dried grapes. So sun will, it will absorb all the water content there. So in this dried grapes also, there is again 20% of water. So that's what they are asking in dried grapes. Okay, so what is the weight of the dry grapes? Which means after that, how much the weight will be? Okay, yeah, okay. So guys, very 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 easy one. So please tell me this in 20 cages, in 20 cages. Okay, in 20 cages. Tell me in 20 cages. Yeah, so 90% of the water of fresh grapes. So can I say, so if 90% is water, okay, can I say 10% is which is not having the water, okay, which means a pulp content. Yeah, okay, the pulp content. So guys, tell me in 20 kgs, what is the pulp would be? In 20 kgs, what is the pulp? Can I say the pulp is going to be 2 kg? The pulp is going to be 2 kg. Venkat, wait, no, why are, that's not my situation. Varun, could you wait for some time? Yeah, okay. So guys, tell me, because 18 is going to be what? Liters. Okay, 18 kgs is going to be what? Water here. So 10% of 20 kg is what? 2 kg of, 2 kg of what? The total water, waterless grapes. Yes or no? So 2 kg of what? Waterless grapes. So dried grapes contains 20% of water. So when dried grapes containing 20% of water, so 80% of the weight of the dried grapes is not water, no? Because in the dried grapes, it is containing 20% of the water. Okay, so the 80% which is not containing what? So that's what they are saying, So this is what the raisins. So in the raisins, water content is 20%. Okay, and the pulp would be what? The pulp is going to be 80%. Guys, please mind the gap. The pulp content should not, should be same for the grapes and raisins. Are you getting my point? Pulp content should be what? Should be same, because pulp will not change, right? Only water will evaporate. Are you getting my point? Pulp will not change. Water will evaporate. Okay. So can I conclude my 80% equals to only 2 kg? Are you getting my point? 80% equals to only 2 kg. Okay. When 80% is equals to 2 kg, then 100% is equals to how many kg? Then 100% is equals to how many kg? 2.5 kg. 2.5 kg. Because, please write down this point, that the pulp component should be same for grapes and raisins. Okay. Okay. Pulp, that the pulp, component should be same for the grapes and raisins. Okay. Because pulp will be pulp. How we got 2 kgs? It's very simple. No, the total fresh kg, the fresh grapes are 20 kg. In 20 kg, water is 90%. Okay, when water is 90%, the which is not having the water, which means the dry grapes would be what? 2 kg only, no, because 90% is that, then 10% only 2 kg. Yeah, the 2 kg is equals to what? The 2 kg is what? The pulp content. Pulp content will be pulp content always. But in raisins also some water pot will be there. Don't take this, hypothetical situation. This is not physics or we are talking about. Not all grapes will not dry due to evaporation, known, sir. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. Lot of questions are coming up here. Guys, please understand. Please understand this question, fresh grapes contains 90% of, because there are fresh grapes. Okay, so in this fresh grapes they are saying 90% is water, and remaining 10% is what? Pulp. Okay, remaining 10% is what? Pulp. Okay. So due to what is the weight of the dried grapes available from a 20 kg of water, and they are saying in dried grapes also. So after the water evaporation, not all the water will evaporate. So after evaporation, we figure it out a raisins here. So in these raisins they are saying, what is that? 20% water, it left with 20% of water, which means pulp would be what? 80% only, pulp would be what? 80%. So out of 20 kg, tell me what is 10%? Out of 20 kg, what is 10%? 10% would be 2 kg. Pulp will be always pulp, which means 80% is nothing but 2 kg. They are asking the weight of the dried grapes. They are not asking only pulp weight. Please mind the gap. Okay, so the 80% is 2 kg, then 100%, because you need to calculate this 20% weight also, that you are missing out. Raisins means it's not containing only pulp. It is containing 20% water. They mentioned. So that's why 80% is 2 kg, then 100% is what? We need to weight of this total weight. Pulp will be pulp only, no? Okay. అరే బాబా మళ్ళీ అదే చెప్తున్నారు మా pulp will be pulp always. Okay, pulp will be pulp. Okay, so that's why, yeah, answer is 2.5 kg. Answer is okay, okay. Guys, people who have doubt in this question, please be wait there for at the end of our session. I'll give a clarity. Okay, because the only solution is pulp will be 2 kg. The pulp will remain 2 kg only, no? So in this dried grapes also there is a few water content is there. So 80% is 2 kg. Then 100% is what? The 100% would be what? 2.5 kg. Okay, okay. We'll we'll do this question. So answer is 2.2. Is it getting 2.5 only, right? Yeah. Okay, guys. Quickly do this question, everybody. Quick. So nowhere it is mentioned, right? Every grape is dried. It doesn't mean if there is no dry, every grape will be like that only, no? Then you will get 20 kg, right? Again, Nitisha. Okay. So, yeah, very good. Okay. Different answers are coming up. Okay, 25,200. Okay, 25,200, 25,200, 25,200. Okay. But your option is not here. Everybody is doing wrong answer. Yeah. Okay. Mahesh got the correct answer. Yes. Now that's what. If I give options, people will think in a different way. If without options, they might. So guys, tell me. So Chitti is what she's doing. She's spending 20% of money on household expenditure. Let's say her income is 100 rupees. In 100, she's spending. A lot of people will do like this. They'll add 20, 30, and 10. How much is this? 50, 60. So remaining they'll write 40 is equals to 10080. Then 100 would be what? So they might have done in this way. So 0, 0 is cancelled. 4 how many times? 4 twos are 8. You left with 2. So 4 fives are 20. So 4 twos are. So that's why a lot of people will get 2, 5. This as their answer. A lot of people got the answer initially. Their answer is this. Yeah, that's what. If they might have done in this way, then only they'll end up with this. So that's why examiner is always smart person. Okay, guys, if you closely look at here, this is not what you are thinking about. Look at here. So initially, she's spending 20% on household expenditure. Guys, 10% of the rest. What is the rest? Rest would be 80. In 80, so this is the remaining one. In 80, 10% on clothes. What is 10% of 80? 8 only, no? 30%, right? Yeah, 30%. So 24. So 24 on food. So what is the remaining? Yeah, the remaining would be 80 minus 24. Could you please help me out? 80 minus 24 is how much? Yeah, first is 30. Yes, yes. 80 minus 24 is how much? 80 minus 24. Yeah, 56. Okay, 56. Out of 56, yeah, out of 56, Okay, again 10%, which means 5.6 on clothes. So the remaining is what? 50.4 only, no? Yeah, the 50.4 value was given. 50.4 is equals to 10080. Then 100 would be what? So if you look at here, 504 is directly double to 1008. So the answer for this question is what? 20,000 is going to be the correct answer. People who got 20,000, they are right. Okay, people who got 56200 is 25200, whatever the answer, that is the wrong answer, because they are missing out a point remaining. They are missing out a point rest. Okay, 120 is going to be what? On expenditure. So the remaining would be what? 80. Okay, so on 80 again 10% is what? 30% is what? Uh, Food. The remaining is going to be what? 10% on food. Okay, so done with this, everybody. But again, don't waste your time solving like this. Okay, you have to do it in your mind. 100%. In 100% is what? 20 is what? Monthly expended. So don't think about 20. 20 is gone already. Remaining is what? 80 only. So think about this. In 80, 30% she's spending on something. So don't think about 30%. So why don't you calculate 70% directly? So 70% of 80 is 56. Again in 56, 10% is going to be what? The other one. So don't calculate 10%. Why don't you calculate 90% directly? But the easiest way to handle the question is in 56, 10% is easy. Calculating this 5.6. So 56 minus 5.6 is going to be 50.4. So 50.4 is 10080. Then 100 is going to be how much? So that will give you double of that. So answer is what? 20,000. So clear with this? Once kindly reply in the live chat. Everybody say yes, yes, yes. We'll go to the next question. Yes, guys. What is the answer? A lot of answers are coming up here. So answer for this question. So no answer came as of now. So that's people are saying 25. Okay. 33.33, 33.33. Yeah. So guys, if you want to answer this, you should know, yeah, you should know one important point. So guys, can I say price into consumption is equals to only expenditure? Price into consumption is equals to only expenditure. Yeah. Yeah. People who got 33.33 will see. Guys, price into consumption is equals to only expenditure. Yes or no? So, what Srikanth is doing is, the petrol price is increased by 50%. By what percent should he reduce his consumption? So, able to balance. So, there is the balance was same. So, which means expenditure is remain same. So, if the expenditure is 100, okay, if the expenditure is 100, if the price is 10 rupees, okay, so how many liters he can consume? 10 liters only, no? So 10 into 10 is equals to only 100. Okay, so the petrol, so that he can able to his budget. So budget in the sense he need to expend the same 100 rupees. The expenditure has to be the same 100. Okay, the expenditure has to be what? The same 100, no? Guys, tell me what happened to the petrol price. Tell me what is the new petrol price, everybody. Initially 10 rupees. So what is the new petrol price? Everybody. Yeah, it is increased by 50%. 50% of 10 is what? 5. So 10 plus 5 would be what? 15. So definitely, so if what value will multiply with here, then only you will get 10. So that is nothing but this value is 100 by 15. So what is this value? Anybody? Anybody got it? 100 by 15. 100 by 15 is what? So are you observing how difficult is this? Yeah, 66.66. Yeah, 6.66 you used to get. Okay, so that's why, again, while calculating here, the difference here is going to be what? 3.33 divided by 10 into 100. So you will get your answer as what? 33.33. So, that's why I don't encourage this method. Okay, quickly, guys, please tell me, 4 5s are how much? Quick. I want to tell you one important point. 4 5s are 20. Right? 5 4s are 20. Yes or no? 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20. So this is like 100, here also 100. Here there are two values, a into b is equals to something, a dash into b dash is equals to something. Which means if I am proving something here that is applicable, my previous question also, no? Yes or no? Are you getting my point? If I am proving something here, because which is in the same model, because this is constant always. Whenever this is constant, I can apply this funda. So guys, tell me, initially you are getting 4 rupees. Now you are getting 5 rupees. How many rupees you are getting extra here? 1 rupee. How much percent you are getting extra here? Can I say? Tell me anybody. I am getting 1 rupee extra. How much percent extra I am getting? Can I write 1/4? Can I write 25% I am getting extra? So because this value increased by 1, the consequent value will decrease by 1. So how much percent it got decreased? Can I say it is decreased by 1 by 5, which means it is decreased by 20%. So don't mind these percentages. So can I conclude? Have you understood this? 1 by 4 increased, the other value, if A increased by 1 by 4, B will decreased by 1 by 5. Yes or no? So guys, can I conclude this? Can I conclude this? If 1 by n increases, if A increases by 1 by n, so B will decrease by 1 by n plus 1. Agree? Yes or no? If when you can apply this, when C is equals to constant, when A into B is equals to C, where C is equals to constant, always you can apply this. If A increase by 1 by n, B will decrease by 1 by n plus 1. Okay, when A increases by 1 by n. So look at our question. So the price of petrol increased by what percent, ma? 50%. 50%, what is the fraction value? 1 by 2. So if 1 by 2 increased, so the other value will decrease by what? 1 by 2 plus 1, which means 1 by 3, which means 1 by 3, everybody know. 1 by 3 means what? 33.33. That's it. That's it. Okay, if you understood beauty of this, you can solve so many questions easily. So many questions in time and work, time, speed and distance. So many questions whenever, because distance is equals to whenever a formula in the format of A into B is equals to C, always you can use this funda. Okay, so if 1 by n increases, the other value will decrease by 1 by n plus 1. Okay, and consequently, we can write like this: 1 by n decreases, the other value will increase by 1 by n minus 1, because 5 4s are 20. Okay, 4 5s are also what? 20. So this is decreased by what? 1. So this is increased by what? 1. Yes or no? How much percent it got increased? Can I write 1 by 5 increased? Sorry, 1 by 5 decreased, which means 20% decreased. So the other value will increase by what? 1 by 4. So 1 by n decreases. So the other value will increase by 1 by n minus 1. Okay. Yeah. 1 by n. See, what I'm telling is A into B is equals to C. Okay, so let's say 4 into 5 is equals to 20. You can take any numbers, that is your choice, but my C has to be constant. 5 into 4 is equals to what also? 20. Okay, you can take any numbers, that is your choice. Okay, initially it is 4, the new value is 5. It is increased by what? 1. It is decreased by what? 1. Okay, so if A is increased by 1, B is decreased by 1 when C is constant. How much percent it got increased? I am comparing what? 1 with what? 4. What we are comparing, 1 should be in the numerator, 4 should be in the denominator. So 1 by n increases, B is decreasing by what? 1 by 4 plus 1, because you are going to compare with 5 only, no? So that's what I'm writing. When 1 by n increases, the other value will decrease by 1 by n plus 1. Okay, 1 by n plus 1. Got my point? Got my point, everybody? So on the same note, 1 by n decreases, the other value will increase by n minus 1. Okay, so this is what you should know. When it is known, your jobs are going to be cakewalk. Guys, tell me, same question. Let's say this is 25%. Please tell me your answer. When this is 25%, okay, 25% means what? 1 by 4. When 1 by 4 increases, the other value will decrease by 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is what? 20%. That's it. That's it. Are you getting my point? Let's say the petrol price is decreased. The petrol price is decreased by 25%. When petrol price is decreased by 25%, which means 1/4 it got decreased. So the other value will increase by 1 by 3, because 4 minus 1, no? That's it. If you understood the beauty of this concept, you can solve so many questions. You can solve so many questions. Trust me. In so many exams, the people don't know this logic, they'll end up, they're wasting their time solving in a general method. If you know this point, but the prerequisite is what? C has to be constant. When C is not constant, you can't apply this method. Whenever, guys, when distance is constant, okay, when distance is constant, can you use this? Speed is equals to, what is the formula? Distance is equals to speed into time. Always when distance is constant, you can use this funda, but you for that you need to practice. You should know how to apply it. Whenever the distance is constant, okay, whenever you understand, the logical way of whenever we are doing, the format of this, we can actually do this. Okay. People don't understanding, guys. Let's say this value, let me put it as 14.28%. Okay, 14.28%. The petrol price increased by 14.28%. See, I'll show you the beauty, because price into consumption is equals to what? Expenditure. Your expenditure is 100. Your expenditure is 100. Let me take 10 into 10 is equals to 100. Tell me, 14.28 increased. What is this value? Could you please tell me what is this value? Yeah, Srinath. No. If it is 10, what is this value I'm asking? Don't tell me 14.28 is 1 by 7. I know. Yeah, this value is what? Yeah, 0.428, right? Yes or no? Yeah, 428, whatever. What is this value then? Because this value is 11.428, right? What is this value? 100 by, if you are smart enough, you will write something. Otherwise, what you will do? 11.428 you will write. Who knows this value? Do you think you can calculate in 1 minute? Without calci, you can't do it. So if whenever the questions were like this, the values were like this, nobody is giving this answer. 8.75. Again, what you're going to do is, you need to calculate the difference of 10 minus 8.75 divided by 10 into 100. Yes or no? You are getting 12.5 only. 12.5 as your answer. Is your answer is 12.5? If you are solving like this, how much time it will take? How much effort you need to put? If you know the concept of this, 14.28 is what? 1 by 7. When 1 by 7 increase, the other value will decrease by 1 by 8. Finished. 1 by 8 is what? 12.5. That's it. Finished in seconds. Srinath, I hope you understood the point. Yeah. Guys, are you getting my point? Yes or no? See, whenever the values were like this, whenever it is 20%, 30%, easy to calculate. When it is 11.11, okay, 12.5%, people will get confused with this. Okay. Yeah, we'll go to the next question. Yeah. 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 Okay, guys, quickly solve this. Yes, guys, what is the answer? Yeah, 53. Okay, 100% total votes. So 60% register votes are Congress. So Congress is 60%. So obviously BJP is what? 40%. Okay. In an assembly election, if 75% of the registered votes of Congress, could you please tell me what is 75% of 60? Yeah, in 60, 75%, which is 3/4. So 4 15 times 15 3 is a 45. Let's say there are 100 voters, 60 were Congress supporters and 40 were BJP supporters. So, and from that, candidate A is getting, 45. Yeah, 45 votes from the Congress, because 75% of 60. 75% of 60 is what? 45. And 20% support from BJP. So what is 20% of 40? 20% of 40 is what? 8. So 45 plus 8 is what? 53. Okay, 45 plus 5 is what? Yeah, 45 plus 5 is what? 53. So that's complete our solution. Let's go to the next question. Due to 25% reduction in the price of rice per kilogram, a person is able to purchase 5 kgs more for 200 rupees. So find the increased price, which means, yeah, price, because not increased price, decreased price, no, because there is a reduction, right? Yeah, what is the reduction price per kg? Okay, people are getting their answers. 20. Let me explain you this question. Due to 25% reduction in the price per kilogram, a person is able to purchase 5 kgs more for 200 rupees. Let's say, your mom gave 200 rupees and, try to go to more and, get some X kgs of rice. While you entered into the more, there is a discount of 25% on rice, or 1 kg, 10 kg, everything is same. But you have only 200 rupees in your hand. Okay, guys, tell me, initially you are getting X kgs. Due to reduction, how many kgs you will get? How many kgs you will get? Everybody, please kindly reply in the live chat. Obviously, X plus 5 kgs you will get. Yes or no? So, X plus 5 kgs you will get. Okay. Varun, no, it's not 20, it's not 40. Yeah. Tejasri got the answer. Good. Okay. 13.33, 30, 10. Everybody is doing wrong. Guys, tell me, very, very simple question. You have only 200 rupees with you. Initially, you are getting X kgs. Now, with the same 200, you are getting X plus 5 kgs. Why you are getting 5 kgs extra? Because there is a discount of 25%, no? Because of this 25% only, you are getting 5 kgs extra, agree? I mean, reduction, discount, anything is same. Because of this 25% only, you are getting 5 kgs extra. Have you understood this point, everybody? Got this point? Because of 25% reduction, because of that only you are getting 5 kgs extra. If you understood this point, then only I can go further. Because the logical point is here. The logical point is here. Okay, guys, tell me. Yeah, guys, tell me. There is a reduction of 25%, no? So when there is a reduction of 25%, what is 20? Whether it is 1 kg and 10 kg, you will get a discount of on 200 rupees only, no? On 200 rupees, what is 25%? On 200 rupees, what is 25%? On 200 rupees, what is 25%? 50 rupees. For 50 rupees, yeah, because of 50 rupees discount you got, that's why you are getting how many kgs extra? 5 kgs, no? Yes or no? Because you got 50 rupees as discount, you are getting 5 kgs extra. Then tell me, 1 kg price is what? Because you are getting 50 rupees discount, you are getting 5 kgs extra. Then 1 kg price is what? 10 rupees. That's it. Okay, 10 rupees is going to be your answer. Okay, 10 rupees is going to be your answer. Okay, answer for this question is what? 10 rupees. People who got 10 rupees, they are absolutely right. Please understand, you have in your pocket 200 rupees. With 200, you are getting some X kgs. Now you are getting X plus 5 kgs. Why you are getting 5 kgs extra? Because there is a discount of 25%. Okay, what is the 25% discount value? 50 rupees. Okay, 50 rupees. Okay, when 50 rupees you have in your pocket, okay, when 50 rupees have in your pocket, okay, so 50 rupees is nothing but what? 5 kg. Then 1 kg is equals to what? Then 1 kg is equals to what here? The 1 kg is going to be what? Yeah. So we'll do some time, speed and distance questions. Okay. Guys, tell me what is the only formula here in time, speed and distance? What is the only formula? Yeah, distance is equals to what? Speed into time. Okay, speed is equals to what here? Distance by time. Okay, time is equal to what here? Distance by speed. So you should thorough with all the three formats. Okay, you should thorough with all the three formats. Guys, tell me, when distance is constant, if you are going with more speed, what will happen to time? Time will increase or decrease? If you are going with more speed, what will happen to time? Time will decrease. If you are going with less speed, okay, if you are going with less speed, what happened to time? Time will increase. So can I say speed is always inversely proportional to time? From this, can I write speed into time is equals to constant? Which means always when distance is constant, I can write S1 T1 is equals to S2 T2. Okay, always I can write this S1 T1 is equals to S2 T2. Most of the questions can be solved by using this reciprocal symbol. Guys, tell me, when distance is constant, S1 is to S2 is to S3 is equals to 1 is to 2 is to 3. What is T1 is to T2 is to T3 ma? S1 is to S2 is to S3 is 1 is to 2 is to 3. Then what is? Definitely reciprocals. No, don't tell me 3 is to 2 is to 1. I'll die here. Already some people wrote. Shravya wrote it. Yeah. Yeah, it's not again 3 is to 2 is to 1. When there is only two entities directly, it's reciprocal. So 1 is to 2 is to 3. Inverse is what? 1 by 1 is to 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3. What is the LCM? 6. So 6 is to 2. How many times 6? 3 times. So this is what? 1 time. Whenever there are 3, please mind the gap. S1 is to S2 is 1 is to 2. Then T1 is to T2 is what? Yeah, then T1 is to T2 is what? 2 is to 1. Okay, 2 is to 1. Yeah, guys, tell me. Yeah, quickly solve this. Okay. Yeah. Okay, a lot of people are getting the answer. 12 kilometers, 18, 18, 12. Okay. Okay. 12, 18, 12, 18, 12, 18. Okay. Okay, guys. Yeah. Guys, there are so many ways to handle the question. Guys, tell me, mornings, I go from office with a speed of 40 and I come back office in the same path with more relaxed pace with 30. Hence, evening I take 6 more minutes in the morning. So find the distance. Guys, tell me in this case, distance is constant, no? Guys, when distance is constant, yeah, when distance is constant, your speeds, what is the speed ratio ma here? What is the speeds ratio? Everybody. So can I say my speeds ratio is 4 is to 3? Guys, understood? What is the speed ratio here? The speed ratio is 4 is to 3. Yeah. When speed ratio is 4 is to 3, what is time ratio? Yeah. What is time ratio? The time ratio is going to be what? 3 is to 4. Okay. 3 is to 4. What is the difference here? What is the difference here? One part. So one part would be how many minutes? Yeah, one part would be how many minutes? Everybody. One part would be 6 minutes. When one part is 6 minutes, then three part would be 18 minutes. Okay. Four parts is going to be 24 minutes. Okay. 24 minutes. Yes or no? So you want a distance. What is the distance formula? Speed into time. If you can take any speed, if you are taking 40, so the time is 18 minutes, but this is in minutes, convert them into hours, so you have to divide with 60. Okay, so 0 0 cancel, 6 ones are 6, how many times? 3 times, no? So 4 threes are what? 12. Okay, so you have to get the same answer when you are doing the other thing also. So 30, 24 divided by 60. So 0 0 is getting cancelled. So 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 ones are 2 12s are. Okay, answer is 12. Answer is not 18. People who got 12, they are absolutely right. Guys, there are so many ways to handle the situation again, because when the distance is constant, directly you can use this funda. Yeah. Okay. So done with this. Done with this question, everybody. Okay. Yeah. Guys, tell me. Have a nice question for you. Yeah. Tell me the answer for this question. Most popular question in so many exams. This question used to come. So many exams. Tell me what is the answer. Yeah, now I'm going to tell you one shortcut also. First, I want you to answer this. Quickly solve this question. Yeah, why 18 by 60? Because 18 minutes, no? You have to convert them into hours, right? So that's why I'm dividing with 60. Because your speed is in kilometer per hour, right? Okay, 42 minutes. 56, 42, 42, 56. Okay, okay. Guys, can I say in this statement also your distance is constant? When distance is constant, S1 is to S2. Guys, tell me, initially your speed is 100. What is your new speed? 3/4 of usual speed. Your usual speed is 100. What is your new speed? Please tell me. Quick. Yeah. Can I say it's 75? Agree? So what is the ratio here? Can I write the ratio is going to be 4 is to 3? Speeds are in the ratio 4 is to 3. Then time in the ratio. Speeds are in the ratio 4K and 3K. Then time in the ratio 3K and 4K only, no? Yeah, what is the difference here? 1K. 1K value is what, Nana? 1K value is what? 14 minutes. When 1K value is 14 minutes, then 3K value. 1K is 14, then 3K would be 42 minutes. 42 minutes. Do you want usual time or new time? You want only usual time. Usual time is what? 42. Yeah, some people are getting 56. Yeah, 56 is nothing but what? The new time. The late time is what? 56. Okay, the late time is what? 56. Both questions are different. Yes, guys, what is the answer for this question? Please try to read the question properly and try to get your answer. A cat is inside a tunnel at a distance of 3/8 of the length of the tunnel. So let's say the length of the tunnel is, let's say, 80. Okay, so the cat is placed at 30 meters. 42. 42. Previous question answer is what? 42. Yeah. Yes. So from the entrance, from somewhere one train is approaching. If the cat runs towards the entrance, the train catches the cat exactly at the entrance, which means from somewhere a train is coming. Okay, when uh, cat used to run towards the entrance, definitely train will catch the cat. Okay, which means it will hit or something like that. Don't ask me, cat will go under. It is not mentioned there. Don't ask me that things. If the cat is running towards the exit, the train would again have to caught the exactly at the exit. So find the ratio of the speeds of cat and a train. Okay, 1:1, 5:3. Yeah, nice question. Yeah, 5:3, 7:4. Different answers are coming up. 4:1, 1:1, 5:3, 4:1, 7:4, 4:1. Yeah. 11:4. Okay. Yeah. 1:4, 5:8, 11:4, 4:1. Okay, 1:4 or 4:1. Okay, guys. Guys, tell me, from somewhere the train is coming. Okay, from somewhere the train is coming. The cat is here. Okay, the cat is here. If the cat moves towards here, okay, if the cat moves towards here, the train will, the train is exactly at the entrance. Yes or no? Okay, on the same time, okay, so when cat is running towards the entrance, okay, the entrance, the train will reach exactly at the entrance point. Okay, exactly at the entrance point. So now praise this situation. Please pause the video. Please, please assume one train is coming, one train is came here at the time. If the cat runs towards the entrance, so definitely the cat will run how much distance? So this distance. Yes or no? Because the train is somewhere here. Okay, so guys, if cat don't want to move the towards the entrance, cat want to move the towards the exit. Guys, tell me, when cat is moving towards the exit, when it is traveling 3D distance, when it is traveling 3D distance, at the same time, can I say my train is at the entrance? Have you understood this? Please understand this point. Cat is here. When cat is moving towards here, when cat moves 3D distance, the train will come at exactly at the entrance. Suppose cat is not moving towards the entrance, cat is moving towards the exit. Can I say on the same time, when the cat is moving towards the exit, when cat is traveled 3D distance, on the same time my train is at the entrance? No? Have you understood this? Yes or no? So my train is at the entrance. Guys, please kindly reply in the live chat. Yeah, this is the important point. If you understood this point, your job is a cakewalk. Yes or no? Now tell me, out of 5D, already it is covered, the cat covered 3D. Remaining would be what? 2D only, no? Remaining would be what? 2D. So, if you freeze the situation here, when cat traveled 3D, your train is at exactly at the entrance. When cat is moving towards the exit, okay, towards the exit, cat need to travel how much distance? 2D. On the same time, my train will travel 8D distance, no? My train will travel 8D distance, no? That's it. That's the logic. So your cat distance ratio is what? Your cat distance ratio is what? Your cat and train. When cat is traveling 2D, the train is traveling 8D. Can I say the ratio is going to be 1:4? The ratio is going to be what? 1:4. This is what ratio? Distance ratio. Okay, distance ratio is 1:4. Distance and speed is going to be what proportion? Directly proportion. So when distance ratio is 1:4, your speeds ratio is also what? 1:4. But the question is what? They're asking train to cat or cat to train. That is important. Find the ratio of the speeds of train and cat. So train and cat means what? 4:1 is going to be our answer. 4:1 is going to be our answer. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'll explain the, okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'll explain the again, once again, because let's say this is your entrance. This is your, let's say this is your starting point, exit. Okay, so the total distance is 8d. Your cat is here. Okay, your cat is here. Your cat is here. Okay, somewhere there is a train. Okay, somewhere there is a train. The train approaching this particular tunnel. When train reached here, okay, when train is going to reach your uh, entrance, if cat is moving towards here, the total distance is 8d. So this distance is what? 3d. The remaining distance is what? 5d. If the cat is moving towards here, definitely this train will catch the cat at the exactly at the entrance. Suppose, don't assume cat is not moving towards the entrance. Let's say cat is moving towards the exit. When train reaches here, a 3 meters exit వైపైనా entrance వైపైనా it going to travel 3 meters only, no? Yes or no? So when it is traveled 3 distance towards the exit, ఇక్కడ మీరు యూ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రీజ్ ది వీడియో. ఈ ట్రైన్ క్యాట్ ఇటు ట్రావెల్ చేసిన 3D అది ఇక్కడికే వచ్చేస్తుంది. క్యాట్ టువర్డ్స్ ఎగ్జిట్ ట్రావెల్ చేసిన ఎంట్రన్స్ దగ్గరికి వచ్చేస్తుంది. దట్స్ వాట్ యూ నీడ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ఫ్రమ్ ది ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్. నౌ యూ నీడ్ టు యువర్ లాజికల్ పాయింట్స్ హియర్. So total, the remaining distance is what? 5d. When the remaining distance is 5d, okay, cat traveled 3d when train reaches at the entrance point. What is the remaining distance? 2d, no? We know one point. If the cat runs towards the exit, the train would again have caught the exactly at the exit, which means if the cat is running 2d, on the same time the train will run what? 8d, no? The train will run what? 8d. So what is the cat distance when cat is running 2d, the train is running 8d? So what is the distance ratio? Cat and train distance ratio what? 2d and 8d. Because you need to understand the time is same here. The question, the whole question will be completed if you understand the concept of when the time is same. The time is same here. Okay, so when the time is same, what is the distance ratio? Because this is the distance ratio. What is the distance ratio? 1:4. You need to know in your logical, distance is always directly proportional to speed. Okay, so when the distance ratio is 1:4, the speed ratio is also 1:4. Cat and train, but the question is what? Train to cat. Train to cat is what? 4:1. Train to cat is what? 4:1 is going to be our answer. With practice only, there is no other mantra. Yeah, it's all about practice. Practice. If you solve so many different questions, ideas will generate. There is no other mantra. Yeah. Okay guys. So yeah, these type, because why I'm coming up with was a bit difficult questions. Why I'm coming up with difficult questions, because in Infosys they are giving only 10 questions, right? Okay, and he may give I think bit difficult ones. Okay, bit difficult ones. So that's why you should understand uh, the more logical questions you solve, so that you can easily perform there. you know uh, in high school level, basically what they'll do is it's like, yeah, Mukund, I'm going to give a practice sheet today. You will encounter one of these type of question there. Anyway, tomorrow we have practice questions explanation. Okay. Yeah. I'll try to send all these questions through PDF. These questions also. Yeah. So guys, understood the session, understood the level of difficulty of questions. So please make sure that try to maximize your your scores in terms of try to get maximum questions correct. Yeah, you are in almost you are in 3-2. You might preparing for cat exam, some few. Okay. So, oh, okay. Yeah, you will get practice questions. Yeah, you will get practice questions by today through WhatsApp group, by PDF. Okay. So I think you have session practice sessions. Yeah, I'll just discuss practice questions, yesterday's ones. I'll discuss yesterday's practice questions. Yeah, today we have session at 4:30 to 6 o'clock. I'll discuss there. Okay. So any other doubts? Any other doubts, ma? So that we can wind the session. Any other doubts? No. So okay. Okay. Yeah, pipes and cisterns. Yeah, Naveen, what I'll do is, today I'll include some pipes and cisterns questions. Those who have a doubts in grapes problem, please be there. I'm going to explain that. Yeah. Yes, yes. Satvik, my advice is this. Uh, you know, uh, to I'll completely solve the problems like high school level, because you might use a formula, you don't think in logical. So my advice is, please try to solve. Please try to go with you can get Shakuntala Devi puzzles book. Okay, in Google, or the soft copy also you will get. Okay, so try to solve the puzzles, because when it comes to puzzles, there is no using a formula. It's purely logical ones. So please try to those things, so that a little bit, the way of thinking it may change by solving puzzles every day. Okay, try to do reasoning questions, so that will increase your the way you think. Definitely the it will, but not in 1 or 2 days. Over the period of time, definitely the logical thinking will be increased, and you will try to solve questions more logically. Yeah. Yeah. NFQ, yes. Yeah, that's what I'm coming to a question. Yeah, NFTQ will have lesser tougher questions than this. See, because uh, this time we don't know, because the previous year question, because there are 25 reasoning questions and 20 quant questions. Okay, when there are more number of questions, you may expect the paper would be slighter easier one. But now they are giving only 10 questions. Okay, so we need to prepare for the best only. We have to prepare for the best, and if the questions are little easy, we need to feel happy. If the questions are tougher, we prepared for that. No, so no need to. Yeah. Yeah, we have a smart interview class today. We can attend the 4 p.m. session. Can you share the recording? Yeah, that will please talk to our team. Nirja, yeah, I maybe I don't know regarding that, regarding the recording session and all. Yeah, have to price the time with competitive exam training, CRT training, and classes. Because I know you have a tight schedule, but Enfi, Inficative will not hold the time for, because we need to complete everything, right? Yes, you have definitely a chance to joining the program. Yeah, training program for sure. Tejasri, yeah, please contact our team. Our team will let you know regarding that. See, guys, times will come where you have to cope up with, you have to adapt the things. Yeah, Varun, wait, I am here. I'll discuss that question. Okay. Yeah. So, because you have to give your time. Okay, you have to give your time to everything. Yeah. So I think people have doubt in grapes question. Please be here. Where is that question? Yeah. Otherwise, you can leave the session. Thank you, guys. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you. People who have, yeah, Sahiti, could you ask that question in WhatsApp group so that they'll send you the practice questions there? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. So I think Varun, could you please unmute yourself, and could you please ask your doubt? Varun, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Varun, tell me what's your doubt here?
Yeah, my doubt is
Hmm.
they have given 20 kgs of fresh grapes,
Yes,
so
correct.
they haven't given any composition of dry grapes. I'm not getting like in the 20 kgs there are
Hmm.
even dry grapes in it, or else the 20 kg of fresh grapes will be converted totally into dry grapes, or what?
So,
Or it is
so,
a
okay, okay. Let me,
mixture
let
of
me.
both.
Okay, okay, okay. So, what the point is this? This is first we don't talk about the rest of the things. Whenever there is a fresh grapes, in that fresh grapes, 90% water will be there. Whenever it is a dried grapes, there is a 20% water will be there in dried grapes. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Varun.
Yeah, I got the upper part of the question.
Right. Right. Okay, great. So what is the weight of the dried grapes available from 20 kgs of fresh grapes? Okay, if this is a 20 kgs of fresh grape, okay,
Okay,
so from this 90% would be what?
water.
Water. So the remaining is what? Pulp. Because water is there, so the rest would be pulp only, no? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So 90% means 18 kg is water. The remaining is what? 2 kg is what?
And
Pulp. Pulp is always pulp.
yeah, okay.
Okay. Pulp is always what? Pulp.
Okay.
Okay. So out of this, we will get some raisins here. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Raisins means, dried grapes we will get. So
Yeah.
in dried grapes, what they are saying? 20% is water. Okay. And 80% is what? Obviously, pulp will be there.
Okay.
Okay. So now pulp is always pulp.
Okay.
So 80% pulp is 2 kg, no? Because when it is where it is fresh grapes or dried grapes, pulp will be pulp. Pulp will not change.
Okay.
Okay, so the 80% is what 2 kg. So they are asking dried grapes weight is what?
Sir, I'm getting confused.
Let's say, you have 20 kg of grapes with you.
Okay.
Okay, so you put in sun, so it will become dry.
Okay, how much composition will get right? Everything?
Everything.
Okay.
If not
Okay.
everything, because this is not ideal situation where 10 kg will be dried and the 10 kg will be
Okay.
it is not going to be dry, because everything will be dry only, no?
Okay. Then the 18 kg will become into the dried grapes.
Yeah, but the point is this, I
The 2 kg is
understood.
left now,
Yeah.
sir. 2
uh,
kg is always pulp. So
yes,
we leave it. So
yes,
from 18 kgs of grapes, 18 will be converted into dry grapes. Now
Mhm.
from 18, 20% is water percentage and 80% is pulp percentage.
yes. See, I understood your point. What is your doubt is, sir, here 18 kg evaporates, you will get only 2 kgs. No, why again this comes into the picture, right?
Yeah.
See, the point is this, because this is an ideal case, your answer is right, but they are mentioning, no, in dried grapes also 20% water is there. That's where the question comes. వాడు చెప్తున్నాడు, ఈ 20% డ్రైడ్ గ్రేప్స్ లో కూడా నీకు వాటర్ ఉంటదయ్యా, అయితే డ్రైడ్ గ్రేప్స్ ఎంత ఉండాలని చెప్తున్నాడు వాడు క్వశ్చన్.
అప్పుడు 18 kgs ఉంది కదా సార్ మనకు రిమైనింగ్ నార్మల్ డే అందులోనే వాటర్ ఉంటుంది కదా 20%.
నేను అదే అంటున్నా చిన్న, ఇప్పుడు ఈ 19 kgలో ఈ 18 వాటర్ వెళ్ళిపోయి వాటర్ ఉంటది, 2 kgs పల్ప్ ఉంటది. వాడు ఏమంటున్నాడంటే డ్రైడ్ గ్రేప్స్ లో కూడా యూ విల్ గెట్ 20% వాటర్ అని చెప్తున్నాడు. పల్ప్ అట్లనే ఉంటది 2 kg. దిస్ ఈస్ నాట్ యువర్ రేజన్స్, దిస్ ఇస్ పల్ప్ కంటెంట్.
Okay.
So raisins is different, pulp content is different. Raisins will consist of water and pulp. Okay. So we have calculated here only pulp. This is not dried grapes.
Okay.
Okay, so this is pure pulp. Pulp weight is 2 kg. Pulp is different, dried grapes are different.
Yes.
Raisins is equals to dried grapes.
Oh yes, correct.
Okay, so the pulp is 2 kg.
Okay.
Pulp is always pulp.
Okay.
So the pulp is 2 kg. Dried grapes are, in dried grapes pulp is 2 kg. So water content is 20%, we need to calculate, no?
అంటే 2 kgs అని ఎలా చెప్తాం సార్? పల్ప్ అనేది 2 kgs అనే ఉంది రీజన్స్ లో కూడా అని ఎలా చెప్తాం?
వాడు ఇక్కడ చెప్తున్నాడు కదా, ఫ్రెష్ గ్రేప్స్ లో 90% వాటర్ ఉందని చెప్తున్నాడు కదా. 90% వాటర్ ఉంటే పల్ప్ 2 kg కదా ఉండేది.
అవును.
20లో 18 kg అనేది ఏంటి, వాటర్ కంటెంట్ ఉంటది. 2 kg కదా పల్ప్. పల్ప్ ఎప్పుడు పల్ప్ గానే ఉంటది కదా. పల్ప్ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ పల్ప్, నో? సో రేజన్స్ లో, ఐ మీన్ డ్రైడ్ గ్రేప్స్ లో 20% వాటర్ ఉందంటే పల్ప్ 80% కదా ఉంటది. ఈ 80% ఆల్వేస్ సేమ్ కదా. ఈ 80% 2 kg ఆల్వేస్ సేమ్ కదా. ఇక్కడ 80%
అంటే while becoming from fresh grapes to dry grapes, we won't get more pulp and the number of pulp will be same.
Yeah, pulp is always pulp. Pulp ఎప్పుడు పల్పే ఉంటది.
ఇంక్రీజ్ కాదా?
ఇంక్రీజ్ కాదు, అదే కదా వాడు చెప్తున్నాడు. సి, మనం ఫిజిక్స్ కెమిస్ట్రీ ఆలోచించదు ఇక్కడ, ఓకేనా? పల్ప్ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ పల్ప్. ఇప్పుడు ఒక మ్యాంగో ఉంది, మ్యాంగోని జ్యూస్ చేసే
అంటే ఈ క్వశ్చన్ లో ఇంకొంచెం క్లారిటీ ఉంటే
మేబీ
it would be better.
Okay. So the whole thing is pulp is always pulp. Pulp is always pulp only. So here we got pulp as 2 kgs. So here in the dried grapes pulp is 2 kgs. So we want the we want water content also, because water content is 20%. So 80% is 2 kg, then 100% would be 2.5 kg. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, I hope a little bit extra information would have given. You might get the without doubt you might have solved. Okay, we'll discuss tomorrow 1 or 2 questions on this so that you will get a clarity. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Pavni, please ask our team so that they can send you the link. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Pavni, you didn't attend yesterday's session. Okay. So ask our team, they may send you the link regarding this. Yeah. Sainath, today we have session at, today we have session at 4 o'clock. I'll discuss all those questions. Okay. Yeah. After that, you can see, because, I need to go to the college. Yeah. So, okay, guys, that's all my time. Thanks a lot for being in the sessions. Have a great day.